Today I'm going to start probability. Probability means possibility or chances, which you studied in class 7th also. Chances of occurrence of any event is known as probability. In this, we have some terms related to probability, like outcome. Outcome means result of any event, result or results. It may be the group of result. So result or results are outcomes. So here equally likely outcomes means the outcome which has equal possibility of happening or not happening. Now formula for probability is probability of any event is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So we have a very important point here. 0 is less than equal to probability of any event is less than equal to 1. It means value of probability lies between 0 and 1. It cannot be less than 0 and it cannot be greater than 1. Now we have questions from exercise 5.3, in which first question lists the outcome you can see in these experiments. Now this is the figure. Here we have the wheel in which possible outcomes are, you can see A, B, C and D. Okay. B part lists the outcomes when we toss 2 coins together. 2 coins together means, suppose this is first coin, this is upper portion of the upper part of the coin and this is lower part of the coin. Okay, upper face and lower face. Here again for second coin, this is upper face and lower face. Okay, now possible outcome may be H, T, HH, TH and TT. Okay, this is the list of possible outcomes. Now question number 2. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of the event getting. When a dice is thrown, the total possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means number of total possible outcomes is 6. Okay. First prime number, favorable outcomes for prime number are 2, 3 and 5. These are 3 in number. Not a prime number, again this is 1, 4 and 6. Again these are 3 in the number. Second part, number greater than 5. Number greater than 5 is 6 only. So favorable number of favorable outcomes is 1. Okay. Number not greater than 5. Number not greater than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total number of favorable outcomes are 5. Okay. Third question. Find probability of the pointer stopping on D in question number 1A. Question number 1A we have seen total outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the favorable outcomes for D is 1. This is the figure you can see here. Total number of outcomes are 5 and favorable outcomes for D is 1. So probability will be 1 upon 5. Okay. Now B part, probability of getting an ace. Total number of playing cards are 52 and number of aces are 4. So probability is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes 4 upon 52. That is 1 upon 13. Okay. C part, probability of getting a red apple in this figure. Total number of apples are 7 and the number of red apples are 4. So probability will be 4 upon 7. Next is question number 4. We have numbers 1 to 10. Find the probability of getting number 6. So this will be 1 upon 10. For number less than 6, total number are 5. Okay. So favorable outcome will be 5 and the total outcomes are 10. So it will be 5 by 10. It means 1 by 2. Third is for greater than 6, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of favorable outcomes are 4. And total outcomes are 10 already. So it will be 4 by 10 means 2 by 5. Okay. Favorable outcomes for one digit number are except 10 all are one digit number. It means they are 9. Okay. So probability of the event is 9 by 10. So this is all about probability. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.